The Me Too movement sparked a national dialogue on workplace sexual harassment in business and in government. Relentless investigative reporting in California led to revelations that more than $24 million of taxpayer money was secretly spent in California to settle sexual misconduct claims against legislators, their staffs, and other government employees. This is a disgusting use of taxpayer funds and an insulting betrayal of the public trust. The legislative response to these revelations continues to be deceptive and unresponsive. Significant reforms are still needed. 1. Require all misconduct complaints to be investigated by outside independent experts. 2. Amend California's Legislative Open Records Act to require public access to detailed summaries of all misconduct investigations. The public has a right to know the details. 3. Amend the California Tort Claims Act to prohibit the use of taxpayer money to settle sexual harassment claims against lawmakers and government employees. Taxpayers should not be used as piggy banks for the bad behavior of so-called public servants. It's time for bold action to help stop sexual misconduct in California government. For the California Golden Fleece Awards, I'm Lawrence McQuillan.